I'm Pavel Scholz, and I'm sales representative in Czech Republic from InterMarium, and I'm a teacher at Czech Technical University in Prague. I teach simulation courses, and in the past I teach, for example, financial management. Now it's more teaching. Yeah, I have one semester course, and my students can try to use 3D objects and make a simulation of industrial processes, and at the end they can use process flow. My students studied management of industrial processes. I'm a user from 2019. InterMarium was interested about my article in some magazine, I think, which was about the simulation of industrial process. It is very quick because you don't need programming. You can use process flow, and I think that it is the main advantage of FlexSim. I like the first presentation from Alan Greenwood because there was a very deep idea about teaching, about the cooperation with industrial companies, and I like the presentation from Krzysztof Jurczyk about the book with examples from FlexSim, because I see it's very important, because one thing is that you can use FlexSim, but it is very important to applicate the ideas and the skills at the real examples. One of my students used FlexSim in practice. He simulated logistics centers, warehouses. Second, my student will probably cooperate with some consulting company in Czech Republic. So I think that it seems that the use of FlexSim in Czech Republic will grow in the future. This year we cooperated with students at 4 theses. 2 theses was directed at industrial processes, and 1 thesis was the combination of simulations and calculations, and 1 thesis was directed on the simulation of auto store. Process flow, because you don't need programming. Yeah, this is very, very simple. For me, this is the most important thing.